Good morning everyone and welcome to day 5 of Ramadan. Is it 5 or 6? I think it might be 6. How fast is this Ramadan going? Like, it's just going super quick. Is it just me or is that you too? Hey? Yeah, so the other day was 5, wasn't it? So it's day 6 today, isn't it? Yeah. So what we're doing this morning is Elisa's nursery task, which is making her a library. So this corner, we're transforming it into a little library so that she has a little library to read her books in. So we're going to get as many books as we can from around the house, and then we're just going to put them all into this corner and make it look all lovely and library-like. And hopefully she'll understand that libraries, you're supposed to be quiet and whisper, because I've got a headache today. Also did not wake up for suhoor. Again, my phone fell down the side of the bed, and my mum tried calling me and my alarm went off and everything. I really don't know what I'm doing with myself these days. Oh, shh, we have to whisper because it's the library. Also, Elisa's complaining about her ankle. Alright, okay, I'll go in the other room. Elisa is complaining about her ankle hurting, and she has to, every morning she has to do a PE type video so that she can move a little bit before she gets started on her nursery work. She was complaining that it was hurting before, but I thought she was just like, sometimes she says things are hurting but they don't really. And then when she was doing that, every time she had to stand on that foot, she was going, ow, my ankle. So it actually does hurt her. So I really don't know what she's done or what's wrong with it. Like, it doesn't look swollen or anything. So I'm gonna see how it is later on and then take it from there, basically. My house is a mess as usual again. Like, just look, it's horrible. Never mind. I love this. It just makes me so happy. But yeah, let's get moving. Let's get started with this library. This is our end result of our library. We've got Elisa's library sign here. We've got lots of books here, lots of books here, and lots of books here. So this is our library. Also some seats there, and then Elisa the librarian can sit there.
My very best friend.
So me and Elisa are just doing some shapes on here. I just asked her what this is, and what did you say? She said it's a pot lid. That is a CD, baby. I can't believe what I'm seeing, guys. Elisa is tidying up. She's putting the toys in the toy box. What is going on here? This one, on the other hand, I don't know what he's doing. You're just talking away, aren't you? Why are you talking away? Should take your dummy, eh? Tar? This is what happens when I take his dummy out. I try my best to hide it whenever I can, but in the morning sometimes that just doesn't happen. I just notice it's too much. But anyway, yes, as I was saying, CDs have gone out of date. I bought my laptop in 2015 and it doesn't have a CD drive, and also my car doesn't have one either. Yes, baby. Sometimes I don't know how I get through all of this. Like, I feel like they give us so much to teach them, and I just feel so tired doing it. And it's so hard keeping her like interacted with whatever we're doing. It gets really frustrating, I'm not even gonna lie. When it comes to phonics, this girl does not want to know. I don't know if she does it on purpose, but she just doesn't give me the answers, or she gives me wrong answers and then starts laughing, and she's really cheeky about it. But today, are you laughing now? So cheeky. But today we're supposed to be doing alliteration and she's just not getting it at all. So, but I'm not too worried because she's little. You are very cheeky, aren't you? Can you tell me flying?
Fly.
Fly, flying fly, yeah, good job.
Sky is flying around.
Okay, and can you tell me, if I say slithering, can you name a word starting with S? Slithering?
Snake.
Yes, good. And if...
Snake.
Yes, good job. What about grumpy? Grumpy G.
Go.
Yes! Wow. I should put the camera on it all the time. How about loud?
Loud.
Yeah! Oh my god. When I was asking her this when I wasn't filming, she just did not get any of it. What about terrible?
Terrible. Crocodile.
No, that would be crazy crocodile. That's crazy crocodile. Our last task is making a paper aeroplane, which is gonna be an easy one, I hope. And doing it with Elisa, probably not, because she just likes to be crazy. And this boy has just been watching my phone because he's just been in the grumpiest mood today. Me and Elisa been doing a bit of origami because her last task was making a paper aeroplane, and then Elisa decided she wanted to make a chatterbox. Show us your chatterbox. So it's got lots of lovely colours on there, and then it's got all the numbers. Elisa's practicing how to do it because she doesn't know how to do it properly yet. Look how good she's getting. Now we're going to make a paper rabbit, an origami rabbit. I'm going to film myself doing this because I have no idea how it's going to turn out. So this is my little rabbit. How cute is she? I think I had way too much fun doing that. You like it? Oh my god, where did you get that? Look at this little boy. He's come in here with a snack basket. Where did he even get that from? It's about 3 o'clock. I'm feeling super tired today. I just want to go to sleep. I've just uploaded my day 5 Ramadan vlog. Kids are downstairs with their dad, and I don't really know. I've asked you guys to inspire me on Instagram for what to cook because I have no idea what to eat today. I was talking to my mum and my sisters on FaceTime earlier, and they were like, we're having chapatis today, so I'm feeling like making some chapatis just so I feel like I'm eating with them but not with them, if you know what I mean. So sad. But anyway, I'm gonna go downstairs and get things done.